Okay, it's pretty bad here. The winds have been quite high. You hear the wind, and the snow is hitting the window, coming on the porch. I'm going to try to, I just don't want to get the camera wet, but I could zoom in a little bit. But it's pretty bad. You can hear the wind. Wow. There's snow drifts on the roof. Yeah, it's pretty bad. For the snow to blow up here towards the front door, you know, it's gotta be bad. Let's see, whiteout conditions. Here comes another big one. Could open this again just so you can hear it. Look at that. Whoa, whoa. The door was going to take me away. I think I'll close this. But it's pretty bad. Oh, I think I saw lightning. Maybe we'll have some thunder. Thundered about a minute ago. Wow. It's bad. It's about 2 a.m. December 10th, 2009. Real bad storm. Wow. This is really something.